Nature versus the word of man. I was born before papers had power, before tongue twisted truths for profit. I rose with the wind, walked with the lion. I drank from rivers, my ancestors' name sacred. Nature never asked for permission. It grew, it roared, it breathed in silence. But man speaks to dominate, writes to divine, builds walls to cage the wild. They told me, follow the rules, sign your name, obey, but my spirit remembers the fire, not the ink, the thunder, not the quart. I see now, nature is my reflection. The stars don't explain themselves. The mountain doesn't lower for opinions. The lion doesn't beg for understanding. And me, I no longer bow to words written by fearful men. I rise like the sun, consistent, eternal, or should I say, consistent and eternal. Yeah, I said it. I speak only when the Spirit calls me. I move only when nature says go. So keep your laws, keep your titles, keep your cages. I'll keep the truth, the rhythm, the silent, the raw.